Hello guys, let's look at this question. This is under bearings. Okay, so they're saying the diagram below shows 3 points O, A and B, in which OB is equals to AB. Given that the bearing of A from O is 30 degrees and the angle ABO is 40 degrees, calculate the bearing of A from B from A, B, O from B. Okay, this is very simple. So what you need to know here is that since we are told that this side is equal to this side, it means that this is an isosceles what? An isosceles triangle. This angle is equal to this angle. Okay, so let's find these angles before we find the bearing of A from B, because the bearing of B from A, we're going to do this up to the line connecting A and what? A and B. Now, to do this, we need to find this angle which is here. All right, since this is a straight line, we need to find this angle so that we subtract this from 180 to find this bearing. So, this is what we're going to do. Let's first find this base. So, let's use x plus x, since these two angles are the same. X plus x and plus 40 is equals to 180 degrees. So x plus x is just 2x is equals to 180 minus 40 degrees. Okay, 2x is equals to 180. 180 minus 40 is just 140. 140, so over 2 over 2. X is equals to 70. Okay, so here it is 70. Here 70, even here 70. Okay, so you have 70. So you can just copy this one. I want to erase so that it is clear. Okay, so you have 70 here and 70 here. Okay, now you have a straight line. Just draw it nice. You have a straight line. Okay, then we need this angle. We need this what? This bearing. Okay, now how can you do that? To do that, we also need just this part here. Okay, this part. How can you do that? We know that if here is 30, even here is what? 30. If here is 30, then this side is what? 40. Okay, so we're going to say 180 degrees minus 40 degrees to find this bearing here. Okay, so which will be just 140 degrees. Okay, 140 degrees. So 140 is the answer to this question. 140 degrees. Okay, so finding the 140, first we calculated the values of these bases. 70, then you subtract 30 from 70 to come up with this angle, so that it's easy to find this 140 there. Okay, when you add 40 plus 140, is going to give us the value of the straight line, angle of the straight line, which is 180. The second question is saying find the bearing of O from B. So we're going to draw the north here at B, then we're going to move clockwise like this up to the line connecting OB, and this is very simple. Okay, so let me just do this. If this side is 140, even this side will be what? 140. So here, check, if this side here, if this is 140, even this side is supposed to be what? 140. But we are not supposed to reach here. We just need to what? To reach this point here. Okay, so we have 180, which is a straight line here, straight line, plus 100, because this is the up to here is 140. Okay, so plus 100, so it will be 180 plus 140 minus 40. Okay, 140 minus 40, which will be 180 plus 100, and the answer will be just 280 degrees. Okay, so these are the two answers, 140 and 200 what? 280. Clearing this, it will be very now easy to show here. So this is what it looks like. We have 140 here degrees. Okay, this is a straight line, it's 180. Then this side here, from here up to here is 140. So to find this from here, this angle, to find this angle here, we're going to subtract 40 from 140, and we're going to have 100 degrees. Okay, it is as simple as this. Remember, the first point was to find what? The angle. Since this is an isosceles what? Triangle. Okay, why isosceles triangle? Because two sides are the same, so it is easy to find these two angles, and that was the basic thing to do. Okay, thank you so much.